Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the simple steps to cancel your Hostinger subscription in 2024. Whether you're switching providers or no longer need the service, this quick tutorial will make the process easy. So let's get started. First of all, open the web browser on your mobile device and go to the Hostinger's official website, which is www.hostinger.com, and log into your account using your email and password. And once you have logged into your Hostinger account, click on the hamburger option, which is located at the top left corner of the screen. From here, search for the option saying billing and click on it. Next, from the billing option, click on the option saying subscription. If you have subscribed to any of the hosting plan, the subscription will be in this page. From the subscriptions, click on the manage button, which is next to your subscription, and you will see an option to cancel the service. Click on it. Hostinger may ask you for confirmation or reason for cancellation. Provide the necessary information and confirm your cancellation. And that's it. You have successfully cancelled your Hostinger subscription. And if this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.